How to add a family link on Google account. So if you want to add a family link on your Google account, then first you need to simply open up your Google application and go for the upper right, tap on your profile, go for manage your Google activity or manage your Google account. And here you can swipe right and then go for people and sharing. And here you will have all of your members, right? So if you want to add a family link or family member on your Google account, then tap on send invitation. So you can send invitations to 5 members. You can add 5 members on your Google. So tap on give access and then type their name, email, or their phone number. So enter their name, email, or phone number, whichever thing you have right now. And once you've done that, or once you enter, tap on send, which is on the bottom right. Now they have received the invitation, and if the other people or if the other person accept that invitation, then they will be member of your family. So here I have just received that email. So the other person gets this kind of notification. It says that, do you want to join the family group of that person? And if you tap on accept invitation, then tap on get started, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on more and tap on join family. And that's it. That's how the other person can join the family. And if they tap on view family, they can view all of the persons that are in the family. So now I have these 3 persons. So what you can do is simply go back, and from here you can simply go back again, and if you reload this page, you will have this person. So you've just invited this person, right? So this person is your family member on your Google. So that's how you can add a family link on your Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.